Hi guys and girls, nice to have you here. On this ride, 188 divided by 188, which equals 1, and 188 divided by 188 equals 1. Now we have this problem, 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 188 divided by 188 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 188 divided by 188, and we can write this part as 1 over 188 divided by 188. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 188 and change division to multiplication times, then flip the second fraction 1 over 188, which equals 1 over 35,344, and this is our final answer for this problem. Hit like and subscribe to join the fun community.